Hi guys, I'm just gonna show you SwissGear Suitcase. You can see the logo here and also has a tag, so it's all boldly written all over the box. This is quality, the portability and the durability is all matters when it comes to SwissGear, and I love it for that. This is Christmas period, we'll be traveling, so it's time to change our old boxes and all our suitcases and they replace with new ones. So I've gone for SwissGear because I love the features it has. It has this zip, multiple zips, so if you want to pull a few things you want, you have this one, you have this one, and you have the main one, where you put your clothes in, which is there. So it has, I love the handle, and also it has two-sided handles, so if you want to carry up maybe at the airport or put in your car, you don't have to struggle to. These handles here is here to do the job. Just grip on the handles and pull in the trunk of your car. This is the handle. You can see it has the SwissGear logo on it. The handle here, it has two adjustments. You can bring it just halfway. You can bring it halfway. You see, it's halfway, and you can bring it all the way up. So it's totally up to you how you want it. Halfway or all the way up. Okay, another good feature about this SwissGear I love is the 360 wheels. So it can go 360 without any friction. So you can see this is what some other suitcases don't have. So it can go 360, it can go left, right, it can go all the way without any friction or any form of it. You can grip on the handle, drag your suitcase all the way to the airport, back to your house. Lovely features, lots of zips, capacity if you want to increase, add more room to the box. It's strongly recommended. I love the durability, the thickness of the materials they use to make this. Bye.